How to add local user to your Windows 10 PC. Go to Search, type Control Panel. Select User Accounts, select Add or Remove Account. Select Add a user in PC Settings. Select Add someone else to this PC. Select I don't have this person's sign-in information. Select Add User without a Microsoft account. Type your desired account name for your new user. Adding password is optional. Then click Next. You are now successfully created your new PC user. Make sure selecting standard user to restrict this user from accessing your administrator's data. You can now log in or switch to your new PC user account.